Hey friends, today we are here with the most wanted thing during this lockdown. It is nothing but a sanitizer spray. Now let's see the full unboxing in this video, and I also give the complete details in the description. I bought it from the Amazon site and I've pasted the link below. You can buy it from there. This box consists of one refill, a USB cable and a machine. First, rotate the refill in anti-clockwise direction to open the refill. Then, fill the refill with the available sanitizer liquid. Coming to the refill, it is used with the sanitizer liquid, and this liquid is available in the market. You can buy from there and you can use it. It is easy to use. Coming to the USB cable, its quality is not up to the mark but okay with its price. You can charge the sanitizer machine and you can use whenever you want. And finally, double click the power button to spray the sanitizer. You can see the liquid coming out from the nozzle. It can be sprayed on your mobiles, laptops and in electronic devices. There is no need of worrying that they might got damaged due to this spray, because the force from the nozzle is very fast and it is up to the mark, and the bubbles coming out are very minute. Thank you for watching our video.